What's up, YouTube? Tonight is a ride out for the kids. Gonna be more slingshots than there is Can-Ams, but we're just gonna take a ride through the city and wind up in the park. They're having a nice little event for the kids, sponsored by the city. Follow me on my journey. Alright, bro, we here. We outside tonight with the street legal side by side. And we out here for a community event with the NYPD. So we're going to be riding around. But let me show you all the cool stuff they got out here.
Everyone's happy. Finally, it's the weekend. All the hard work's just invited all my friends.
Nah, you can get in it.
No, it's all right.
What's up? Say hello to the people, man. This is going to be live on YouTube today. All right. Yo, what's up, Luz? What's good, kid?
Really good.
How you doing, boss? Good, good. All right, so we're going to get back in the side-by-side ride out. It's for the kids tonight. We're going to pull up to the park, and we'll see what's going on when we get there.
What's up, B?
So we're riding out today. What's up, all my people? We're bringing out the toys. A lot of slingshots, few Can-Ams, and we're heading out for the kids. NYPD Fire Department is hosting a night party for the children in Queens, so we're heading out to the park. I just lost the pack, but I'll eventually catch back up. But what do y'all think? Good idea? We're out here tonight. I showed you before, it's a lot of bikes out here tonight. Lot of noise, but I think it's a good thing when the city gets together and gives back to the community. So do my part and let the kids come and play around with the toys we got. I'll show you when I pull up, but check it out. So it was a NYPD, fire department, Homeland, all chipped in to do a event for the kids in the park. They could actually sleep over. They brought it, if you brought tents, chairs, they had a blow up projection screen. They was playing movies. So it was all set up for the children, which is a great community event. The turnout wasn't as big as I thought it would be, but I think it's a great idea when the community and the city works together. It was nice, you know, and they get to play with the vehicles, sit in the vehicles, take pictures. So it was really, it was a real nice community event. Hopefully things like this will get bigger and bigger. I was glad to come out. The kids were like excited to see the vehicle and all that, you know. So, hey man, just follow me. What do you think about events like this? Let me know. Follow me, like, subscribe. This is my second channel. So, hey everybody, ride safe, just ride safe.